Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Good life, good person, good life, long live. Once again, welcome to my vlog. I am your vlogger, retired teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. Live here in Vanishing, Little Vanishing Island. It is an equivalent of Bohol, Virgin Island. So over there, our tour guide, that's Ma'am Kati Jean Atiko. Alright, okay. Okay, so Mabuhay channel ito. And we have a wonderful boat ride, island hopping, stopover. It's already our third stopover here with our boat, Wind Runner. And sponsored by what tours, Ma'am Kat? G Tours.
Yes,
G as in good. Ha?
Island hopping by G.
Island hopping. Okay. You can contact Ma'am Kati, Kati Jean Katiko sa Facebook. Okay. So this is it with my very good friend Inday Idna. My old friend Inday Idna Pidalgo. So that's it. Going back. And our new friend, Doc, nickname Doc Bell. I have my new friend, yeah, Doc, dentist, a doctor of dentistry, right?
Yes.
Nickname, ma'am name, Bill? Bill lang? Bill or Del?
Bill.
Bell. Ma'am Bing lang. So, Bing. So, this is my share vlog. Our co-passengers there are already having their banana, what's this? Banana ride? Banana boat ride. Okay. Keep safe. We belong to one tour. God bless my co-passengers. So enjoy your ride. Mabuhay chan tayo. Yeah. Okay, and the tour guide. Okay, so that's the banana boat ride. I don't have the courage anymore to join them. But 3 years ago, I have my zip line in Pangasinan. I do not know if I can carry on this boat ride. Perhaps I'm undecided yet. Okay. So there are also ice cream. How much? 20 only? 20? Okay. I don't have cash there. My money is there. So that's Ma'am Kati. I would like to buy, but my money is there on the boat. Oh, that's a starfish. Wow. Wow, amazing. I love this. Sharing you, there is ice cream for 20 pesos. What's the flavor? Mango. Flavor. Welcome to Vanishing Island. So, Saman Vanishing. Why vanishing? Because it will vanish. Yeah, nagdi-disappear ito. Yeah. Kapag ito ay mag-high tide, so pag low tide, here it is. You look at the water, how deep it is. You can see my feet there, my slippers. So this is a day in Samal Island, a tour with my old and new friends. There they are, my co-passengers, my co-passenger of Wind Runner. They're starting the ride. Wow! Banana boat ride. I love that one. Wow. Go. Is it safe to hold the starfish? Okay lang ba? Hindi mangagat man? Buhay yan, buhay?
5 seconds.
Oh, that's the starfish. Sige daw, ma'am. A little closer. I will vlog. Wow! Alive? That's alive. So, they are my co-passengers. Mga ma'am ko pa? Oh, yeah. Welcome to my vlog. Okay. What company do you belong? I am a retired teacher. What company?
Laxis po.
Laxis, what's that? Call center?
No. Real estate po.
Real estate. Please recruit me. I'd like also to join that one. I'm a retired teacher. Name, ma'am, you're the manager. You are the highest in rank. Name, ma'am.
CJ po.
J?
CJ.
CJ. Wow. Ma'am?
This is
Ma'am Ann?
July.
Ma'am July, not August.
Abby?
I'm sure birthday is July. February. Yeah.
That's why kulang.
And no. I have my son also February, but they're in Japan. Nickname ang guwapa? Abby. Ezra. So, thank you. My task now is winning new friends. Yeah. So, ito nang buhay ko ngayon as a retired teacher. So, why have you decided? Ba't kayo nag-island hopping?
We are stressed.
Stress. Yeah. Okay. Yes, to remove stress inside. Anxiety, whatever it is. So, thank you. No, nice meeting. Please follow me. YouTube, Mabuhay channel. Tonight, I will be posting it. Erlinda Rindon, the yellow and the red gown. Thank you. Thank you. You're all beautiful, wonderful. Oh, there they are. Yun na sila, ma? Wow. Oh, layo na. I would like to ride also, but sabi nila, babalik ta rin daw eh. Babalik ta rin ang boat. Oh, ayaw ko. Mahilo ako. Okay. So this is Vanishing Island. Sinong birthday? Sinong birthday? Maki-birthday ako. Wonderful Vanishing Island. Yes, I really enjoyed my life here. As a retired teacher, travel here, travel there, no permit, no gate pass, no restriction. What a wonderful life. Okay, I'm enjoying my wonderful life. I am now with my vlogging activities, and I can post anytime, anywhere I like. Okay, sharing you the episodes now. We are here, I think, for 1 hour. This is already our third stop na. And the last one, by 4 o'clock, we'll be going back to the bow. The other island hoppers there, it's Samal activity. It's wonderful. There are activities, banana boat riding, like that. So many of us here. The stopover. Okay, let's have a glimpse of here. What are the vegetation? Ouch, it's not vegetation. I think this is the roof of the boat we are riding. Oh, nice one. Ouch. Careful. I might pull down. Okay. It's getting hot already on this area. It's a wonderful day. There they are, our companion. They are having their boat ride. Wow. Terrific. Exemplary. Wonderful one. That's the boat ride. Thank you for joining me today as I share you my my Vanishing Island here in Samal Island. It's a nice place. It's really amazing. Yeah, the other group passengers there, they are now eating their ice cream for 20 pesos. There's an ice cream vendor. Oh, there's a birthday there in the other boat. Oh. Okay, that's the mango. I would like to buy, but my companions are there. My money is still there. Oh, you cannot go nearer there. You cannot go there. Okay. So this is mango ice cream. You wait, ha? I will buy, ha? I will get money there on the boat. Banisting Island of Samal. Yes. Do you have also ice cream? Yun na. Okay, this is the roof of the boat. Ouch. Okay. There are vendors of pearl. Okay lang. Oh, no budget for that yet. But tingin-tingin. Okay, just tingin-tingin. Okay. Okay lang. So how much?
Tell mo sa
I want earrings, no?
Bracelet.
I don't like bracelet.
Para makatabang ka, ma'am.
I don't like bracelet. Nawawala. Nawawala man yan sa akin. It will be lost.
Para makatabang ka.
How much is your bracelet?
350.
350. No budget yan.
Pagkano budget?
Sige, okay lang, sir. So, come here, come now. There are many vendors here for, how do you call this one? Perlas ng Silanganan. Okay, ayan. I love that also. But the budget is nowhere. Wala. I will tell you 20 pesos. You will give it to me. Okay, so sige. So that's it. The wonderful here in Samal Islands. Some of my other group there, they are also swimming there. Okay, swimming there and there. So there they are now. Okay. They have their life vest. So I will wear my life vest and join them. Wow, ice cream! I love ice cream. It tastes good. Okay ba?
Flavor ice cream.
Yeah. Okay. So I will have to buy.
You have
also.
yours?
I will buy also. I don't have money yet. So this is now my a day in Samal Islands, island hopping with friends, new and old friends. Ouch! My slippers got stuck here. Okay, but careful. Okay, so let's go upward. Careful. Wow, really wonderful experience today. Exploration here in Samal Island. 4 stopover. Thank you.
Right,
thank you so much. Yeah. This is it. Let's get inside. Oh, wonderful, wonderful ride. Have a glance of the Banisting Islands in a distance with group of people. Islands, Banisting Islands. Have a glance of our boat now. The one we have in Bohol is smaller than this. Their boat there is Atimar. Let's look at them. Oh, there's a birthday! Happy birthday! Your birthday, ma'am? Happy birthday, ma'am! A white channel. Wow! Okay, libre ice cream. So, my passenger, yes. Name of the birthday lady, ma'am?
Larissa and Jubilin.
Larissa and? Yeah, Jubilin? Oh, Jubilin. Okay, happy birthday, ma'am. One group lang kayo with other group, yung nagbanana boat na. 4 lang kayo. Kami rin friends. Old and new friends. So my other co-passengers, they're enjoying their swimming now. Yeah, I will join them later.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. So my boy channel, I will be posting this tonight, ma'am. So this is it. For every stopover, we are allowed to go down and have our swimming activities. But me, in as much as I do not know how to swim, I'm just there, here, sitting on these stairs to refresh myself with the cold water. Okay. So happy swimming, my co-passengers. Yeah.
Vlog si Ma'am.
Yes, I'm vlogging.
Yes.
So my very good friend, Cathy, Cathy Jean, Catito. I will be.
Jitors.
Yeah, Jitors, no? Ini number.
Sir,
to contact dito tayo, ma'am. 0917
864
864
1021.
1021. Repeat,
Yes,
ma'am.
Sir, 917-864-1021. Samal Island Hopping by Jitors po.
Yeah, okay. For those who would like to follow my experience, explore here, just call the number.
Yes po, or visit our page, ma'am. Samal Island Hopping by Jitors po.
Again, what's the page?
Samal Island Hopping by Jitors.
Happy Samal, slowly ma'am. Happy
Samal Island Hopping by Jitors. Visit lang kayo sa page namin.
And message.
Opo.
So, automatic, they will,
Yes.
somebody will reply.
Yung admin namin at saka si sir,
Okay.
mabilis sila mag-reply.
Okay, sige. Thank you.
Thank you po.
And Sir Toto Nilder, my companion. Yeah, thank you. So, let's go to my companion. Thank you, Ma'am Cathy.
Thank you so much.
Don't forget to share our pictures.
Yes,
later.
share ko.
I will be adding you as a friend. So,
ng photographer
yeah.
yung tropa natin.
Yeah, okay, these are our food, lunch kanina. Marami pang mga natira. So, really delectable. Their shrimps, I love that one. I got only 2 pieces because we are going to control our, for wellness goals. We have also this one. Okay, once again, kinuha ko rito yung patatas, potato lang. Okay, but what I feasted most is this one, the panga, the tuna. I love this one. We have also our what's this? Kinilaw. Kinuha ko rito kanina yung pipino lang. This is a wonderful healthy living. And what's the other one? We have also the lumpia. Super delectable, super delicious. We tasted also with fruits, and we have pakwan and pineapple a while ago, but we already consumed it. So really, it's a wonderful ride. This is now the picture on lunchtime. Share to you. Died na. Okay, yan. May anong tawag doon? Island hopper. Yan, kasama ko sa kasama ko and the Queen. Yes. Nang nining Clinanora Orchea Centino. Queen Ares. Always beautiful. And the first gentleman. Okay, the King and the Queen. Thank you so much, Centino Orchea family, for loving me. And of course, Pinalgos family and all my new friends there. Yeah. Daisy. Yeah. How do you find the we'll join. We'll join there. How is it? What is your feedback? Give me one word. How's our island hopping? One word. Enjoy. How about Daina? Give me one adjective. Amazing. Nangining amazing ice cream or you? Delicious. You. How do you evaluate the total tour? We are almost done. Third stopover na ito. One word. Nice food preparation. 3 words. Sir Totoniel, one word. Describe our tour now.
Nami gidya.
Nami. Say nami lang kay one word lang ba? Nami. That's Sir Toto Niel Centino. Yeah. Always there to support us, our objectives, our goals for today. So for now, I have to close my vlog in as much as I need also to join my co-passengers there. Although I do not know how to swim. To take a bath there. Okay, just having an experience of the cool water. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Feeling I am Rose here in the Titanic. Yeah, so here it is. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Live and alive here in Banising Islands, Samal Islands. Thank you for watching my Mabuhay channel and my Facebook Reels and all my pages. Buhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Long live, good life, good person. Until my next vlog. Thank you, Kamabuhay. Thank you, my Mabuhayers. Signing off, your teacher vlogger, retired teacher. Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, live and alive here in Banising Islands, Samal Islands. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Thank you everyone. Thank you to my followers, my FB friends, followers and everyone and viewers. Until my next vlog. Mabuhay, Kamabuhay and Mabuhay.